They made their way from Japan and will be leaving after June 28. So you'll have plenty of time to meet the dolls of Japan here as a part of an overseas traveling exhibition housed at the National Museum of Jamaica. Curators Jerome Nelson of the National Museum and Azusa Kobayashi of the Japan International Cooperation Agency are here to tell us all about these fantastic dolls that are on display. Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. Jerome, let's start with you. Why did we feel the need to have this traveling exhibition stop here?
Well, for us at the museum, we try to incorporate different cultures and allow students and other visitors to come along and open up to cultural appreciation and tolerance, and not teach them only about Jamaican culture, but being that we're a global citizen, we want them to appreciate other culture. So by the the Embassy of Japan in Jamaica and National Museum, we form a partnership to have this come here so we can open it up to the people.
Fantastic. And it's on display right now at the National Museum.
Yes, it is.
And where's the National Museum for those of us who don't know?
The National Museum is 16 East Street, downtown, Kingston.
And nothing wrong with downtown. I don't know.
Nothing is wrong with downtown.
Okay, so we have the dolls here, and I mean, they're gorgeous, first of all. So, Azusa, tell me a little bit about the materials used to build these dolls.
Okay, these dolls is made their body like a hands or face is made by wood, and their clothes made by silk or
Silk?
Yeah,
Wow.
and their hair is same as our hair.
Oh, it's human hair.
Yes, it's human hair.
Wow.
And this one's hair is also human hair, and this one is also.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So, okay, suppose I come and I fall in love with one of these dolls. Obviously, I can't get this doll, but are there replicas of the dolls that I can purchase?
Yes, there are some artisans in Japan, so some people buy there, and it is a collection item for Japanese people.
Okay.
Especially these
This one?
item. Yeah, this one is Hina doll. Hina doll celebrate girls festival, so many family purchase these
For the female
yeah.
kids. Okay. And does this one have a specific meaning or symbol?
This one, this one is
Who is that gentleman? Is it
yes,
a guy or a girl?
It's a
Yeah,
boy.
boy.
He's,
Oh.
he's a golden boy.
Oh,
And
okay.
this is actually for Tengo no Sukyo.
Tango no sekku.
Yes, that's a boys' celebration.
Oh, so these are for the girls, and that one is for the
Yes.
boys. And then this one is all of, I mean,
Very
this one
beautiful,
is not an
right?
actual physical doll, but it's like a
It's a
demonstration
butter
of one.
paddle.
It's a battle
And it's used for, it's something of badminton.
yeah.
But it's collection items and it's for
Really?
This
display
is
only.
a racket.
Yeah, it's a racket. It
You
is.
play a game.
Yeah, but not with this one, really. And the games are mostly played by females
Yeah.
Wow.
with this one.
This
That's
is
gorgeous.
a toy for the girls, and many people do badminton when the New Year.
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. I know that this is not just happening in Jamaica. You have displays in many other countries. Why do you feel the need as a part of that cooperation to take Japan to each and every one of these countries?
Yeah, this artifact, the 70 doll is there. These artifacts developed by Japan Foundation and traveling all over the world. So each dolls have a meaning, or each dolls have embodies a Japanese daily scene. So it is good, and it makes good understanding to as a country to Japanese people.
Fantastic. Jerome, okay, so how has the response been? Do you find a lot of schools coming, a lot of kids,
It
adults?
has been great. We got a piece written before, and people came before the opening
Oh, wow.
happened. And schools, the children are very much interested into it. What we found is that since the dolls represent all aspects of Japanese culture and things like that, students are now using it by saying, oh, but we use that doll, the Ken doll or the Black Barbie doll
To
for
represent
self-identity,
someone.
to represent us and things like that. We do have a communication space in the exhibition that we designed. The team worked very hard on this, and where the children are, anyone come and just talk about what they see, what they can learn from the culture, and how they can incorporate it in their life.
Is there a specific time allotment for it? What time do you open, or what time can I view it?
The National Museum Jamaica, we open at 9 to the public to 4:30. Mondays to Thursdays, and on Fridays we 9 to 3:30.
Okay, and on screen right now we have some pictures of some of
Yes.
the rest of dolls that we see inside. And it's quite a few. How many dolls in total
70.
do you have?
70. Yes.
Wow.
And they're all on display right now.
They're not allowed to be touched, right?
No.
Let's just get that clear. When
Don't
you go
pray.
down there, don't be handsy. Keep your hands to yourself. These dolls are very important. All right, so when we get in there, we can expect to just have a taste of Japan.
Yes. Fully taste of Japan. We have the blossom tree that we painted
cherry
on.
blossom?
Yes, and so they can write and put their blossom on it. We have Asusa is going to teach them how to make the paper.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things in the cultural section right there.
Okay, so right now on screen, what are we seeing? Which dolls are those?
Oh, this one,
This one.
this door is my door in
yeah?
Japan.
Yes.
So my parents is display these doors, this set of door for much.
Oh, this is your collection?
Yes.
Yes, it is mine.
Okay.
So the girls will generally collect the Inamatsuri dolls and it passed on from one generation to the other.
Oh, that's
And the boys will do the same. And depending on the type of person you are, what you like, you collect those dolls.
Nice. It's like Japanese LOL. But much more important. Thank you very much for stopping by. And you are here with us until June
28.
28.
Yes.
And then where do you go after that?
We're not sure where Jamaica will take them after
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Yes.
Well, we are wonderfully happy to have you, and thank you so much for stopping by. We are going to go over to the band, but those were the curators, Jerome Nelson of the National Museum of Jamaica, and of course, Azusa Kobayashi of the Japan International Cooperation Agency, O'Shane McHugh, and the J1 Band.
The Lord is my rock, my fortress, my deliverer, and my shield. He protects me on the battlefield. I call upon the Lord and I'm safe from my enemies. You know why I smile, Jamaica? Listen. Again. Say man a soldier in a God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say him can't harm me. Man a soldier in a God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say him can't harm me. Man a soldier in a God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say him can't harm me. Man a step, man a step, left, right, left. Jump with the devil, my side stand creep. Me no care when come with me, no fear death. Cause my God never fail I yet. God have me back, him and me defender. When the enemies attack me, I go surrender. Him there beside me 365 days of the year, just like the calendar. Soldier, soldier, soldier. Again. God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say him can't harm me. Man a soldier in a God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say him can't harm me. Man a soldier in a God's army. No matter what the devil do, me say